If you're thinking about buying Guidde, there are a few things you should know first. With so many options out there, it's crucial to understand what makes Guidde stand out and how it compares to other solutions. Stick around, because we'll cover exactly what you need to know to make an informed decision. First things first, if you're new to Guidde, it's important to understand that it's a robust platform for creating in-depth guides, workflows, and documentation. What sets it apart is how intuitive it is. It's designed for people who want to create knowledge bases or process documentation quickly and without a steep learning curve. Unlike some competitors that may require you to dig into a manual or take a training course, Guidde offers an intuitive interface that allows you to dive right in. Next thing to consider, collaboration. Unlike other platforms that are more siloed, Guidde excels at collaboration. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, you can easily collaborate, review, and edit content in real time. This is something other tools can struggle with, especially when dealing with larger teams. You'll be able to streamline content creation without having to worry about managing multiple versions or dealing with clunky integrations. The ease of collaboration truly makes it a standout in the market. The third thing you need to know is integration. One of the biggest hurdles with software like this is getting it to work seamlessly with the other tools you're already using. With Guidde, integrations are simple. Whether you're using it for project management, documentation, or customer support, Guidde integrates effortlessly with popular tools like Slack, Jira, and Trello. This integration reduces the need for manual processes and helps keep your workflow running smoothly. Not every competitor in this space can say the same. Some require advanced technical knowledge to integrate properly, but Guidde keeps it user-friendly. The fourth thing you'll want to know is how syntax customizable Guidde really is. While most other platforms offer basic templates or preset designs, Guidde gives you the flexibility to create guides that match your company's specific needs. Whether you want to tweak the design or adjust the user experience, Guidde allows for customization at a level that competitors just don't. This gives you complete control over how your content looks and feels. Another key factor is security. When you're dealing with sensitive company data or customer information, security should be a top priority. With Guidde, data protection is built into the platform. It offers robust security features, including encryption and customizable access levels for team members. Compared to some other software in this space, which may only provide basic protection, Guidde ensures that your content remains safe and secure at all times. The sixth thing to consider is customer support. If you've used other platforms, you know that finding reliable, fast support can be a challenge. Guidde's support team is known for being responsive and helpful. Whether you have a technical issue or need guidance on using a feature, they're quick to assist. Many competitors, on the other hand, often leave users waiting for responses or rely on FAQs to solve problems. And finally, pricing. Pricing can be a deal breaker for many people, especially when comparing software. What's great about Guidde is its flexibility. It offers a free trial, so you can test out all the features before committing. The pricing tiers are competitive and cater to different business sizes, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise. Compared to some of the other platforms which lock you into high price plans from the start, Guidde gives you the freedom to scale according to your needs without overpaying. If you want to try out Guidde for yourself, click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits to help you get started. Trust me, this is a tool you don't want to miss, especially if you value simplicity, collaboration, and integration. So go ahead, click the link, and start creating better guides today.